Hello, everyone. Oh, is it on? Yes, it is. Great. I feel so honored to get to read this. I actually wrote it, and I wrote it on a retreat in Leavenworth. And what was really funny is that they gave us a map on how to get to our rooms. It made no sense whatsoever at all. I was like, what? I don't know how to get to my room. So at any rate, I thought, and it was after one of Karen's sermons, and I put it all together, and so this is what I have to share with you. This was in the next morning after I'd figured out how to get to my room. As dream tendrils fade, the morning air slaps my cheeks awake. Fingers cold want to snuggle into gloves. Eyes brighten to beginning. Morning prods, stand up, wake up. Meet your day. Many paths lay ahead. I even have a clear map. At first, it is confusing. Anxiety trembles with unknown. But once I've trod the path, I see connections. Notice detours, shortcuts, and longer, slower routes. My once fear dissolves into curiosity. Take the step, then another, and another. You can blaze a trail, even with doubt or question holding your hand. After traveling, then look back and see the picture you've painted. We cannot know until we are ready to know. We cannot see until we're ready to see. No path is ever finished. Always more to view, to learn, to give, to feel, to see, and to share. May you follow your path with faith.